Okay, class, now we go to geometric sequence, okay? I would like to show you the difference between geometric sequence and arithmetic sequence, okay? Now you look at here, this is one sequence again, this is another sequence. First of all, you have to identify the A, okay? The A is actually your first term, term ke pertama. So your A is actually your 3, am I right? So now, you want to identify whether this is a common different, this is a geometric sequence or arithmetic sequence. In arithmetic sequence, I asked you to find out more than one common difference. Do you remember? Okay, why I would like you to ask so? Okay, now, if you do not know whether this is an arithmetic sequence or geometric sequence, I just give you one sequence like this. Saya bagi satu sequence macam ini saja. How do you know whether it's arithmetic sequence or geometric sequence? Okay? So, if you haven't know about geometric sequence, now we identify by using the common difference first. Okay. Term, if common difference, T2 minus T1. 9 minus 3 is actually your 6. Okay? Now, T3 minus T2. 27 minus 9, which is your 18. Is it common or not? Common tak? Okay? So 6, another one is 18. This is not common. This is not common. So when this is not common, confirm this is not the arithmetic sequence. This is not arithmetic sequence. Okay? That's why I would like you to find out more than one common difference or more than one common ratio to identify what type of sequence is that. Okay? So, if you know that this is not the arithmetic sequence, so it must be a geometric sequence. Okay? So, how do you find the difference between here? You know that 9 minus 3 is 6. 27 minus 9 is actually your 18. Right? So, this is not common. So, when this is not common, let us find another one, which is what we call as common ratio. Okay, the ratio here. So, common ratio is actually T2 divided by T1 or T3 divided by T2. So, T2 is 9 divided by 3 or 27 divided by 9. We identify whether it's common or not. 9 divided by 3 is actually your 3. So this one, 27 divided by 9 is actually your 3. So confirm this one is the geometric sequence. Meaning to say that in geometric sequence, 3 times 3 equals to 9. 9 times 3 equals to 27. 27 times 3 equals to 81. Okay? So this is what we call as geometric sequence. In arithmetic, plus, plus, plus. In geometric, times, times, times. Darab, darab, darab. Okay? So, you know what is your A? You know how to identify your R, common ratio. Now, the same thing here. If this one is term number 1, term number 2, term number 3, term number 4. If I would like you to find out what is term number 5, just times 3. Am I right? So easy. Times 3. 81 times 3, which is 2, 4, 3. Am I right? But if I would like you to find out what is the term ke-20. Term ke-20. How do you identify? Okay? How do you find out? So we have the formula for geometric sequence. The nth term. Tn equals to A R n minus 1. Kuasa n minus 1. Okay? Power of n minus 1. Power of n minus 1. So your A here is actually your 3. Your R here is actually your 3 as well. And you want to find the 20 terms, right? 20 minus 1. Okay. Remember that you have to do whatever is in the bracket first. Please do not give me the answer like 3 times 3, then you power of 19. No. You have to do 3 power of 19. 20 minus 1 is 19. 19. Okay, you have to give me this first. You get this answer, then you times 3. Okay, remember that? Jangan give me 3 times 3, then power of 19. No. You have to give me 3 power of 19 first, times 3 again. Then you get the answer. Okay? So, 3 power of 19 times 3. Okay. This answer is very, very huge. Okay? This is just term ke-20. Okay? So, term ke-20, this is the answer. How about term ke-10? Term number 10. So, 3 power of 9, which is 10 minus 1, right? 10 minus 1. Okay. Power of 9 times 3. 59,049 ringgit. Or 49. Okay. So, term the 10 terms, the 20th term. Okay. So, a lot of students, they will be confused because they see that, oh, this number is very huge. It must be sum. Not necessarily. Because this is geometry. Geometry is the power, not to say power, it's the power of time. Darab. 2 kali ganda, 2 kali ganda, 3 kali ganda, 3 kali ganda. Okay. 3 kali ganda jadi 9. 9 3 kali ganda jadi 27. My salary now is 1,000. 2 kali ganda, how much? 2,000, right? So this is how you get it. 3 kali ganda, 3,000. Okay? So this is how you find the sequence, the term. Okay? So in arithmetic sequence, you find about the sum as well. Okay? The sum here. Okay, the sum here, you have to be a little bit alert, whereby there is 2 types of sum. Okay? A, R, sorry. Okay, so this is your sum. In your sum, let us look at this. Okay, so if, let's say, I would like to find out what is the sum for the 6th term here. Okay, as you know that sum is 3 plus 9 plus 27 plus 81 plus blah 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 whatever, right? Okay, you can plus if you know all the terms here. Okay, but let's say I do not know. I got 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't have 5. Okay, I don't have 6. So I would like to find out what is the sum of the 6th term. Okay, first of all, you have to identify the common ratio here. Is it common ratio more than 1 or less than 1? Okay, if it is more than 1, you use this formula. If it is less than 1, you use this formula. Okay, we look at this first. So R is actually 3. More than 1 or less than 1. Okay? 3 is more than 1, so we use the first formula. Okay. A, R, and minus 1. R minus 1. Okay. A here is 3. R is 3 and 6. Minus 1. Okay. 3 minus 1. Okay. Remember to do whatever is the formula first. Do the power first, okay? You do not give me 3 minus 1 is 2, then you power of 6. No, okay? Do 3 power of 6 minus 1 times 3 divided by 2. Okay, now let us try. 3 power of 6 minus 1 times 3 divided by 2. So this is my answer, 1092. Okay, 1092. Okay, let's say I would like to find out what is sum the 20th. Okay, the same thing here is actually a 3, 20 minus 1. Okay, 3 minus 1. Okay, do whatever power first and in the blanket first. Okay, 3 power of 20 minus 1 times 3 divided by 2. Okay, this is your answer. Very huge answer. Okay, very huge answer. So, when do you identify whether it is less than 1? Okay, when it is less than 1, the number here will be smaller and smaller and smaller. Okay, you look at the example here. Okay, in your page 9, you can look at question example page 9, the first one. You get 2, 20, 10, 5, 5 over 2. So this is when you get the number which is less than 1. Okay, less than 1. Now, do you have any question?